Did you know that China recently overtook Japan as the world's largest car exporter? That's right. In 2023, China took the top spot, exporting a whopping 5.2 million cars at an estimated value of $101.6 billion. To understand how this happened, we need to look at how the power balance of the global car industry has shifted in recent years. In the past, Japan reigned supreme in the car export market. Their mastery of technology and their commitment to quality were unrivaled. However, the tides have turned, and China has taken the helm. The country's auto industry has experienced a boom like never before, and there are several reasons behind this dramatic rise. One key factor is the war between Russia and Ukraine, which has had a profound impact on the car industry. As a result of this conflict, many foreign vehicle brands withdrew from the Russian market, leaving a void that China was quick to fill. In 2023, Chinese car sales to Russia increased fivefold compared to the previous year. This surge in demand has propelled China to the top of the auto export market, surpassing Japan. Chinese auto companies such as Chery, Geely, and Great Wall Motor have seen a significant increase in sales, contributing to China's record-breaking year. However, it's not just the international market that's driving China's success. The domestic demand for cars in China has also rebounded, particularly in the electric vehicle sector. This resurgence indicates a shift in consumer preferences and a move towards more sustainable modes of transportation. On the other hand, Russia's car industry experienced a major downturn in 2022, which was quickly seized upon by China. The war initially led to soaring prices, weak consumer sentiment, and a dwindling supply. Domestic car sales in Russia briefly plummeted to a quarter of pre-war levels, before eventually bouncing back toward the end of 2022. But the structure of the country's auto industry completely changed in the process. As we delve deeper, we'll understand how this shift came about and what it means for the future of the automotive industry. The war between Russia and Ukraine has had far-reaching effects, including a significant impact on the auto industry. Whether due to pressure from Western governments or out of protest, many foreign car manufacturers pulled out of the Russian market in 2022, leading to a dramatic decline in car sales within the country. Domestic car production decreased sharply after March 2022, hitting an all-time low in May, with only 4,000 vehicles produced that month. With rising prices, weak consumer sentiment, and dwindling supply, by the end of 2022, the purchase of foreign-made cars in Russia had virtually ground to a halt. But as one door closes, another opens. This exit of foreign brands from the Russian market created a vacuum, an opportunity that was quickly seized by Chinese automakers. As other countries' vehicle brands left, China remained, leading to a surge in demand for Chinese-made cars. In 2023, Russia's own popular company Lada sold the most cars on the Russian market, shifting over 240,000 units, but interestingly, the second and third most popular car makes in Russia turned out to be the Chinese state-owned brand Chery and Haval, which is a spin-off brand by Great Wall Motors. This increase in sales of Chinese cars was not restricted to Russia alone. China has also increased its car exports to key trade partners like Mexico, Belgium, Australia, Saudi Arabia, the UK, Thailand, the Philippines, the UAE, and Spain. However, Russia is now firmly established as China's #1 customer, occupying around 17% of China's overall car exports. This is a clear example of how global events can have unexpected consequences and create opportunities even in the face of adversity. In 2023, China sold at least 5 times as many cars in Russia compared to the previous year. This was a pivotal moment in the global auto industry, marking a significant shift in the balance of power. Several Chinese auto companies played a crucial role in this transformation, with Chery, Geely, and Great Wall Motor leading the charge. Chery, a name that has been synonymous with innovation and quality, saw a significant boost in sales in the Russian market. Its dynamic range of vehicles, coupled with its commitment to technological advancements, resonated with the Russian consumers, contributing to China's dominance in the auto export scene. Then, there's Geely. Known for its sleek designs and high-performance models, Geely managed to capture the attention of the Russian market in a big way. Their surge in sales was a testament to their ability to adapt and thrive in new markets, further strengthening China's position in the global auto industry. And we cannot forget Great Wall Motor. With their robust and reliable vehicles, Great Wall Motor made a strong impression in Russia. Their success story adds to the narrative of China's rise in the auto industry, underscoring the country's ability to meet the demands of diverse markets. But it wasn't just about individual companies. China's overall auto exports hit a staggering $102 billion in 2023, marking a 56% increase from the previous year. This was a clear indicator of China's growing influence and competitiveness in the global auto industry. These successes didn't happen overnight. They were the result of strategic planning, investment in technology, and a deep understanding of the global market dynamics. These factors combined to propel China to the forefront of the auto export industry. As a result, China surpassed Japan to become the world's top auto exporter. It was a moment of triumph that signified China's rise in the auto industry, setting a new benchmark for the rest of the world to follow. China's rise in the auto industry is not just a temporary phenomenon. It indicates a significant shift in the global auto export market. The demand for cars within China itself has seen a notable increase, especially in the electric vehicle sector. This is due in part to the country's ambitious plans to combat climate change, coupled with the government's push for green technology and sustainable living. As the world's largest market for electric vehicles, China is not only meeting domestic demand, but is also exporting these vehicles globally, further strengthening its position in the auto industry. This surge in China's auto market isn't just about filling an immediate need in Russia. It also represents a broader trend of China's growing influence in the global auto industry, which could have long-term impacts on other major players such as Japan. In the past, Japan was the reigning champion of auto exports. But as China continues to expand its auto industry, we may see a shift in the balance of power. The Japanese auto industry, known for its quality and innovation, will undoubtedly face new challenges in this changing landscape. It will need to adapt and innovate to maintain its competitive edge. This could mean a greater emphasis on electric vehicles or other technological advancements that align with global trends and consumer demands. It's also worth noting that these changes in the auto industry aren't happening in isolation. They are part of larger global economic shifts and trends. As such, they will have ripple effects that extend beyond the auto industry, impacting economies, jobs, and the way we live and travel. As we move forward, the global auto industry will continue to evolve, and it will be interesting to see how other countries respond to China's growing dominance. In summary, China's rise as the world's top auto exporter can be attributed to a combination of factors. Amid the tumult of war, foreign brands retreated from Russia, paving the way for Chinese automakers to surge in sales. This, coupled with a rebound in domestic demand, particularly in the electric vehicle sector, sealed China's position above Japan in the global auto industry. Looking ahead, these events underscore the potential for further shifts in the industry, shaped by global market dynamics and geopolitical events. This shift in the auto industry is a testament to the ever-changing global market dynamics and how geopolitical events can significantly impact industries worldwide.